So I've been to the shop and thought I'd take a walk back along the prom. Gorgeous sunset set against a very, very dark and stormy looking sky out there. If you look, you can see a boat over there. My camera work is. There it is. See, it's all lit up. Doesn't actually look like it's going anywhere. I've not seen it move in 10 minutes. It's very odd. The boating lake is a beautiful calm, as you can see. Very calm. There's your little swannies doing the thing where they stick their bums up in the air. And yeah, no sign of the geese tonight, just the swans. There's midges. See them? That's the seagull. Midges all round me. Horrible. Yeah, you can just see the last bit of the sun going down behind the bridge. So you've got like pink and there's a midgie, orange and red and right. I'm off. Midgie paradise. See you on the next one.